I'm gonna show you how to make some Southwest backyard burgers. Let's get it. Dude, this is so good. For these smash burgers, we're gonna try to go with some 2-ounce patties. So when you're doing these, you can weigh them out. Otherwise, you can just guess and make them make about that size. Got a couple of big juicy love nuggets. And while you're doing this, if you're smart, you should have your grill going so it's hot. Now that we got this thing fired up, let's go ahead and coat it with a little bit of olive oil and get our balls tossed on. I have to admit, I only recently started doing smash burgers, but honestly guys, it's a game changer. Go to Ace Hardware or your local hardware store and you can pick yourself up a cast iron smasher like this. I think I only paid roughly $10 for it. Money well spent. Pro tip, to get the perfect smash, cover your meat patties in wax paper. It makes a perfect patty every single time. As far as seasonings go, you can really use whatever you want. But for these burgers, I went with your salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then I added a little bit of Slap Yo Mama just for the kick. You thirsty? Are you thirsty, Bear? Oh. Close it up and let it cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. The burgers are almost done, so what we're gonna do now is just give them a flip, and you're gonna wanna cover them in cheese and get your buns toasted. If y'all ain't shopping at Aldi's, you better start, because I got these everything bagel brioche buns, and they are freaking killer. Toss on your buns and let them toast for roughly 1 to 2 minutes. Eggs are really underrated on burgers, so I went and doubled down on this one. On a grill this hot, the eggs are only gonna need about 1 minute, but we did have a small problem. Nice. Turn that off. The grill might have caught on fire, but we didn't let it ruin our burger or our eggs. Now let's pull everything off the grill and get it assembled. Man, I'm telling you, with his eggs and the pico de gallo and then the second egg with that pepper jack cheese, this was easily one of the best burgers I've ever eaten in my life. And then we got to put on that spicy Mexican crema. Man, this thing was unreal. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything you want to see on future episodes, just let me know. Thanks. Let's get it.